What if you attempted to high-five a dark matter ghost?
What if you attempted to high-five a dark matter ghost? This would be the ultimate challenge to your team spirit and grasp of particle physics. Spoiler, you don't accomplish either. First, we must define our specter. Dark matter isn't some ectoplasmic vapor. It's a mysterious something that comprises about 85% of the universe's mass. We know it's there through its gravity, but it doesn't interact with light or normal matter at all. A hypothetical vampire is more of a dark, person-shaped area of extra gravity. So you step back and take a swing with your hand at about the height of the ghost's palm. What happens? Nothing. Your hand goes straight through without any resistance. It feels less like hitting a thing and more like waving your hand through the statistical probability that it ever could. The particles in your hand just don't interact with the fellow, if he is a fellow, who make up the ghost. It's the most awkward high-five dodge. But here's the twist. You can't slap it, of course, but the ghost has mass. A lot of it. If it has the same density as our galaxy's dark matter halo, this ghostly particle would have a mass equivalent to about 0.4 grams for each cubic centimeter of its stuff. For a human-sized ghost of, say, 0.1 cubic meters volumetric size, that's a mass of 40 kilograms, roughly the weight of a big bag of concrete. You do not perceive it, but its pull is still there. As your hand went through it, you would be ever so slightly pulled towards the ghost's center of mass. So, your high-five is extremely off-target, but a few milliseconds later, the gravitational pull of the ghost causes your hand to wobble away from its path by an teeny fraction of a millimeter. The ghost did not leave you in the lurch. It just replied with a basic force on a time scale that renders the gesture profoundly cosmically awkward. On the plus side, if a dark matter ghost ever did high-five you back with all its gravitational force, it would immediately pancake you into a smear of subatomic particles. So the silent treatment is actually not so bad.